How are people living in the future? What are their desires? What is technology doing within the home? Is it visible? Is it less visible? How are people interacting with that?
Gaggenau always worked with basic shapes. So when you consider the design of our new oven range, it is 2 frames and 1 circle.
A lot of the process is really to take things away, to get rid of screws, venting holes, of unnecessary things, so that it fits perfect to your kitchen.
There's a reduction of materiality and there is a fusion of display and control. And I ask myself, how could the next Gaggenau user interface look like?
We believe in tangibility. We have hands. We love to touch things.
The ring is, so to say, the first contact. The impression you get, how does it sound? How does it feel? It's a kind of high-tech inside, but on the outside it seems very simple and pure.
You turn it and you think like, how is that working? And then you get a haptical feedback. And all these elements come together and create a magical moment for our customers.
Then the discussion was a lot about how to really execute the inner side of this frame, and we came to the idea of a passe-partout.
The first time the engineer heard this, they just looked at our designers with big eyes, say, it's not possible.
I was so happy to meet Bertus, who is working on the milling machine. He found together with some colleagues a way to mill this very fine chamfer in a way that we really consider it as precise, high quality. It's a true evidence of craftsmanship.
They're doing things with their hand. There's only a couple of guys who do this brushing process, not more. And they're the ones, so there is this pride.
We also added this kind of a frame because you need to get air in and you need to get air out.
You have this very thin line, which is visible from the outside. But when you open the door, you see that this is curved. So the outer frame gives us a little bit more room for the ventilation. And we did something which is also special because we integrated the heating elements underneath the cavity and above the cavity. So when you open it up, you don't see any heating elements, but they are there. They're just hidden. So you have the same functionality with a very simplified and clean cavity.
We iterate, make things better. And I think we're really obsessed with these details, and you can feel that and see that at the end.
This is why it took some years to finally get there. And this is only possible if you work very close together with design and engineering.
So if you just put your eyes together and look at it, it's 2 frames and a circle.